The 2016 Ford Focus hatch and sedan range will arrive in Australia at last in October this year, and the company appears to be making a bold move upmarket. Unlike the current non-same Ford Focus range, available in 4 specification levels with 3 engine choices, the My16 range will come with 3 specification options and just 1 choice of engine: the 1.5-liter EcoBoost turbo petrol unit with class-leading figures. The new 1.5 engine punches out 132 kilowatts at 6,000 RPM and 240 Nm from 1,600 to 5,000 RPM, 7 kilowatts flash 38 Nm more than the outgoing 2.0, placing it somewhere in the middle ground between most regular small cars and more upmarket hot hatches in terms of output. The new engine is matched to 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmissions, and consumes between 5.8 liters of 95 to 98 RON fuel per 100 km and 6 per L/100 km depending on spec. The streamlined engine range spells the end of the outgoing lineup that comprised normally aspirated 1.6-liter and 2.0-liter petrol units, as well as a 2.0-liter turbo diesel version represented just 3.0% of sales. The Euro 1.0-liter 3-cylinder option, a multiple International Engine of the Year award winner, will not be offered. As part of the update, Ford has also trimmed back the spec levels. The Focus can now be had in trend, sport and titanium hatch form, no more base price-leading ambient, while the sedan comes as a trend or titanium. As such, the price of entry grows. The cheapest version, the manual trend hatch, costs $23,390 plus on-road costs, up $1,100 over the outgoing trend, but a significant $3,100 pricier than the current base ambient. This means the Focus range has a higher price of entry than almost any rival. It's $900 more than a Volkswagen